Hello guys, welcome to Forex Trading Strategies. So in this video I'll be explaining the advanced scalping strategy too. So this is, I've explained something like this before, but this is the advanced level. Okay, now if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can stay notified whenever we have new content for you guys. As we all know, times are hard right now due to the outbreak of the coronavirus, so kindly stay safe, practice social distancing and all of that. Okay, so now let's head into our video. So as we can see this interface right here, so I've explained this indicator before, whereby you can use this to trade either boom and crash or volatilities. So basically this indicator gives two indications: the downtrend and the uptrend. So the red is the downtrend while the green is the uptrend. But one thing we still need to put into consideration is the support and resistance level. So before, this indicator we use it without the support and resistance level. Now we have the support and resistance level now. So the white line is the support level, while the orange line or gold line is the resistance level. So if you are given a signal here or an indication here, you have to be very careful of the support level. So the support level, this is boom, so the support level will be the one to tell you if it's going to go up or not, if there's going to be a boom or spike or not. For example, now let's assume you are given this red downtrend here, there is going to be a downtrend, and you are in it till it goes to this level that the white is showing. Once it gets to this level here, let me make a line so we get it better. Once it gets to this level here, this is the former support level. Once the chart gets to that level around this area, you know that you are supposed to leave the market, because the former support level might act as a new support level and there might be a spike. So you can see it breaks the support level a bit, but there was a spike here. So we must be very, very careful of the support level. So let's go to our price action and see what we get. Okay, so you can see that the indication is out, the red bar is out, that there is a downtrend. Okay, so it is coming now, and this is resistance level, the gold at the resistance level. So we are more particular about the support level. Our next support level is this area. Okay, so if the price action is approaching this area, then you must be careful, you must be sure to leave the market, because this might act as the new support level. So if it breaks this one, you can see this another one right here. So if it breaks this two, you can enter before it gets to this one before you leave. So this support level has made this trading a bit or a way easier from the format that we used to use using the balls alone. So using this indicator, you can scalp easily. But one thing you need to note also is that you don't adopt a trend from the beginning and wait till the end of that particular trend. So I won't advise you to do that, although I've done that many times. But it is also advisable that if you don't have large capital, you might as well not go into trading a trend all the way through. So we must be advised for this. So, and people do ask me as well that what is the best time frame, but I don't like trading in 1 minute time frame because it doesn't give room for more action. So that is why I do most of my analysis in the bigger time frame, at the 5 minutes or the 15 minutes. So it is very, very important for us to know this setup. So if you have your hands on this indicator already, you can go ahead and set it up in this way, using the support and resistance with it, so you can trade more efficiently. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you have a very nice week. Thank you guys for staying around. You guys have been so wonderful. I have so many results of my students on the way now, so I'll be posting them during the course of this new week. Okay, so thank you guys for staying around. I hope this week is more profitable for you in your trading. I hope you make money. I hope you stay safe and stay alive during this pandemic era. So thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.